Hello. Nope. No. Stop licking it. It's not food. And this one's microphone. I can attach it to your head actually. There you go. Yes. Haha, this one's better. Let me just click this one on my neck. Haha. Is that alright? Let me just make it a bit loose. Yes. We are ready to record an episode. Hi. Hi and welcome. As usual, my plan was looking better on paper because the spring finally arrived to Poland. It's not the spring yet, it's the end of February, but 15 degrees makes it I can finally go outside. I mean, I could before, but for many reasons I stated in previous episodes, it was a horrible experience. Obviously, I started bad. It's all around the park, there are like concrete and tarmac pathways. And obviously I picked the spot that's made of mud. Stop eating this! I'm so happy that you're not having any teeth yet. You're eating the plastic, don't eat it. Just let it be. Yeah, this one's fine. What a lovely day to do anything actually. For the wheelchair guy like I am, this one's really important. I don't have to be worried about tons of sand, snow, water, salt that I'm bringing back home on my wheels, you know? I can use dry asphalt, dry concrete path. Please stop. It's gonna get fully wet. Yes. So this was finally the day that I was dreaming for months, to be honest. I thought it's gonna work out better, but it's not, because... Mainly because he's trying to eat this one. It's fully wet now. What have you done? But I wanted to show you something. Let me just find it. Not easy. No, it's not this one. It's not this one either. No. Jeez. I think I have it, yes. What I bought as a channel improvement actually is this rig. That's like quick release thingy. So I can attach my phone into it. A gimbal actually. You can do whatever you want with it. And it spins faster than any of my previous equipment. So I can almost attach it with one hand only. I'll show it to you. Click and there you go. A gimbal that I can attach to a wheelchair now to provide you with better perspective. That's the first time I found use for the gimbal for a disabled person. Because usually my hands are busy spinning me around, right? But I came to this park to test it. Because, you know, previously I was thinking about it in different categories. I thought that the plastic ones are enough, you know? But they are not. It's so hard to screw them on a wheelchair. A phone comes here, you know, and I can record it. But right now I'm gonna have a better one. It's made of aluminum. This one's quite heavy. I don't know, it is still too shaky, I would say. So attaching the gimbal to it might not be the best idea, but it's still better than nothing. At least I'll be able to do it easily now. I'll test it later on, some low angles, some high angles and stuff. Let's check it now actually. Test number 1. This one may be harsh actually. But it's because of the surface. Yeah, it is kind of shaky. Let's do some tricks, like wheelie, move it left to right. Yes. Let's try low angle now. Yeah, I should have tested it on tarmac maybe, or concrete. This one's bumpy. Kind of bumpy, so sorry about that, but at least I switched it in like 5 seconds. Yeah, I'm finally able to finish this recording 2 days later. Sadly, Main reason is I totally forgot my brother's son arrives for the winter holiday, which is not winter. As you can probably see, it's like 19 up to 20 degrees today. And I thought it's going to be easier, to be honest. I mean, he's 10. I thought he will just... I don't even know what I was thinking. He's having so much energy. Jesus. And adding Julian to it, I was tired already at 2 p.m. But basically, I was trying to prove you that my new equipment is good. I didn't even have time to check it. I mean, I didn't even check those recordings yet. We've spent like a whole day yesterday on a swimming pool. I'm literally exhausted. I don't know if I should be recording up the sun. I mean, I don't think it's gonna look good, but it's the least occupied area around. I mean, as I said before, it's like 19 up to 20 degrees, meaning there are tons of people all around. Can you imagine? It's February, 20 degrees, almost 20 degrees. Funny thing is that like 2 weeks ago, and it was like minus 15 degrees, snow, mold, just basically disgusting. All those people around the internet, I don't know if it's in Poland only, I don't think so. I think those, people are all around the world. They were claiming, there's no climate change. Look, the winter, where's the climate change? It's supposed to be 20 degrees. It is fucking 20 degrees now. I don't know how much is that in Fahrenheit or Kelvins or whatever you're using. I don't know, maybe I'll just add it when I will be editing it. But let's stick to 2 football fields for now. It's 66.2, if that tells you anything. Yeah, but I was talking about the equipment. Seems like it doesn't work as I thought it's gonna work. I mean, it's still shaky because I was using it this way. I need to work on it somehow. Because, spring comes, summer comes as well. I wanted to travel somewhere and have that freedom of, attaching something to my chair and recording it for you instead of, bending all the time to put a gimbal on the stand like that, I need to bend. I don't want that. This one goes here. I had like a separate clamp as well to, attach a phone in here, mount it in here like that, and then attach it to a frame, to the wheelchair frame. And another stand if the gimbal runs out of batteries. My new equipment seems better. It's obviously imported from China, right? I have no money for the European equipment, nor American, so it has to stay this way. This one was like, I don't know, like $20 for this set. I can make it work one day. It's heavier a bit, so it's going to be harder to travel with it, but I guess gimbal is not for disabled people. I mean, I need that hand, right? I need it to move, and I can't really move with one hand only being available. Yeah, it's gonna be fine. I'm gonna make it work somehow. I don't know, I was thinking maybe I'll find some used DJI 360 or the 360 cameras, sport ones, and I'll talk to a seller to borrow it for a couple of days so I can test if recording with a phone is my issue. Maybe those cameras are better, being attached to a wheelchair so it records better quality, it has better stabilization. I don't know. There's still so much work in front of me. So I don't know if I said it before. It's Saturday today. Gotta go to a cinema, gotta take the kids somewhere. He's 10 only, so I don't want him to spend time on his phone, playing some stupid games or watching some, brain rot content. Then in the evening time, I'll probably play him a cartoon or something. Do they even make cartoons? Is it all CGI now? I'm not really into those, modern cartoons, because as you can probably tell from my tattoos, I'm like the old school, right? So, we had some walks. The thing behind me is a river. I don't know if I said it before. So, I'm gonna leave Julian with his mother. I'm gonna take my brother's kid to a cinema, and that's my plan for the weekend. This way, next week I can return to YouTube more, because I abandoned it for a bit. I abandoned social media, but you can't blame me. It's like beautiful outside. And it's so important for me as a disabled person. I've mentioned it many times. Winter is a horrible time for disabled people, for wheelchair people. I was so tired of, cleaning my flat on a daily basis, like an hour daily spent on cleaning just because I went out for an hour. And sometimes it wasn't even that I wanted to go out. Sometimes I had to go out. I mean, I do have a dog, right? I do have a kid. I needed to go out. I really have no clue. Why didn't I switch it to this side before? The lighting is better from this side. So anyways, I'll do one more test on a better surface without the gimbal. I'll just attach this phone to this rig, clamp, whatever it is, with a shorter arm, because gimbal provides a massive arm, right? I'll just do it this way. I'll just attach it somewhere and I'll do some rounds so I can show you as well, so we can decide together, right? Yeah, that's my idea. So I guess I'm off now. I'll leave you with some additional views, additional perspectives. You can tell me in the comments if that's even worth it. Because as much as I would love to record with the stand like it is right now, it's annoying, you know. It's just exhausting, you know. I need to find a bench, put my backpack there, open it up, take the stand out, place it somewhere, put the backpack somewhere, and then probably on the same bench, right? And then I can start recording. I was showing it to you in a Slovakia video, in a Bratislava one. With those clamps, it could be like different. But this point of view is going to be worse for you. So let's just check. I'm off now. Really, I'm off. Yes, my girlfriend is taking care about Julian now, somewhere out there. I don't even know where they are. I need to find them, join them, and spend the rest of the weekend with them. And in the evening time, when we will just watch a movie, I need to edit Sunday's video like that, so she doesn't realize. Yep. Have I said, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and oh, you can also visit my Patreon's GoFundMe's, buy me a coffee as well. That would be lovely of you. I'm trying to fundraise some money for the car. I didn't mention that. My car is working again. The winter is over, for now. But my car works for a week already. Oh, how awesome is that, isn't it? How convenient it is for me. Alright, time for me to go. Bye-bye. I'm doing it again. I'm sorry for that. I won't be waving to a camera anymore. I mean, I will, but I will just edit it out. So the best part was switching the perspective was taking me like 20 seconds. It was impossible for me to do so before, so I'm really happy with it. I'll get some more of those, you know, aluminum attachments, whatever they are, because I know it can be shaky, but it's so convenient for me. All right, I'm off this time for sure. Thanks for watching and have a good one. Bye bye.